Hello everyone and welcome to this demonstration of our smart timesheet copilot agent, Timesheet Buddy, built using Microsoft Copilot Studio, Power Automate Flows, Outlook, and SharePoint. In many organizations, filling timesheets on time is a repetitive, easily forgotten task, leading to missing entries, reminders over email, and unnecessary follow-ups by manager and HR. Our goal was to build an intelligent conversational agent that automates the entire timesheet tracking process from logging entries and pulling summaries to sending automatic reminders and alerting managers when submissions are missing, all through a modern, user-friendly chat interface powered by Microsoft Copilot Studio. The Timesheet Buddy Copilot agent handles functions in one chat window, like log timesheets, so employees can record their daily or weekly work hours quickly without opening a separate form, fetch timesheet summary, pulling their submitted timesheet data for any given period directly from SharePoint, then automatic reminders. It automatically reminds employees who haven't submitted their timesheet before the due date, and late submission alerts. It flags any missing timesheet to managers or HR so no deadline is missed without visibility. Behind the scenes, we have kept the architecture simple but powerful. At the core, there is a SharePoint list called Timesheet Buddy, storing every timesheet entry with date, employee name, hours worked, task, and status. Another SharePoint list called Employees hold the employee names and their work emails so reminders and alerts go to the right place. We have automated our Power Automate flows run on a set schedule. For example, every Friday at 3 p.m. to check who hasn't submitted their timesheet. If anyone's missing, Timesheet Buddy sends them a polite reminder. So we have created a flow for the late submissions as well as to remind them and instantly alerts their manager too. No casual chasing needed. So, when an employee opens a Timesheet Buddy, they are welcomed with a friendly greeting showing clear options. So, hello, I am Timesheet Buddy, your friendly assistant to help you to log your hours, get reminders, and keep your timesheet spotless. What can I do for you? So, they can log a new timesheet, fetch their timesheet summary, set or check reminders. This kept the interaction clear, simple, and easy to follow. First, let's go on with a new timesheet. So, Timesheet Buddy guides the employee step by step. So let's log my timesheet, asking for the work date, task done, and hours worked. So, for example, please enter your name. Let's say Pat Henry. Great. Let's log your timesheet. What date are you looking for? So let's say 10th of July, 2025, 0710. How many hours do you work for? This is a reminder. For the sake of explanation of this video, we have set the reminder after just 9 minutes. So after every 9 minutes, there's one reminder that hi Peter Parker, he's one of our employee. This is a friendly reminder to fill out your timesheet for this week. We will look into this later. Now, how many hours did you work today? So let's say 8. Okay. What task did you work on? Let's say prepared project report. All done. Pat Henry, your timesheet for 7/10/2025, that's 10th of July 2025, has been logged successfully. What would you like to do next? So, these details are instantly passed to a Power Automate flow, which saves them in a Timesheet Buddy SharePoint list. Once done, the agent confirms the submission with a fancy message. So, next, the employee wants to check if last week's summary was submitted. They simply choose Fetch Summary. So, let's say View Summary. And Timesheet Buddy puts all relevant entries from SharePoint, filtering by employee name and last week's dates. So please enter your name. Let's say we have 2 employees. So let's start with Peter Parker. Summary for Peter Parker. You worked 22 hours over 3 days last week. Great job. So you can say here, Peter has worked for 3 days in last week. Our last week started on 6th and ended on 10th. So we have worked all the 3 days for 3 days, and it sums up for 22 hours basically. So it simply fetches all the summary sheets. The agent then shows a neat table, right? Now this gives the employee confidence that their timesheet is complete and up to date. Now let's look at how reminder works. So behind the scenes, a scheduled Cloudflow runs automatically every Friday at 3 p.m. For the sake of the explanation of this video, we have made it 9 minutes. So the flow checks the timesheet buddy list to see if any employee didn't log their hours for the current week. If someone forgets, the flow sends them a polite reminder email like, as we can see here. Hi, Peter Parker. This is a friendly reminder to fill out your timesheet for this week, which has started on 14th and will end on 20. Please log into your timesheet buddy and complete it today. Thanks. Right? So if no submission is found by the deadline, the same flow alerts HR or the manager automatically. So no follow-up is ever missed. For late submissions, Timesheet Buddy ensures accountability. If an employee repeatedly misses timesheets, the HR manager gets an automatic email with the employee's name and missing dates, helping managers stay informed without chasing people manually. This makes the whole process smooth, proactive, and stress-free. So after each task, Timesheet Buddy doesn't just stop. It guides the employee back to the main menu. They can choose a log another timesheet, check a different summary, set a reminder, or exit. Let's say as we have explored all the options, let's try exit Timesheet Buddy. So thanks for staying on top of your timesheets. So have a productive day ahead. This looks keep the experience clear, modern, and user friendly. To sum up, Timesheet Buddy just a, isn't just a chatbot, it's an intelligent co-pilot that keeps employees on track, automates boring follow-ups, and ensures managers always have a clear view of timesheet compliance. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We are excited to make time tracking faster, more accurate, and stress-free for everyone with Timesheet Buddy. Thank you.